What's up, guys? John from McNeil.com here. And one of my subscribers asked me the other day, they said, how can I make $50 to $75 a day? And specifically, how can I actually put that money in my pocket today, right? So if you guys aren't familiar with how affiliate marketing networks actually work, even if you generate commissions today, typically you can't take the money out, or you're not paid out for maybe a week, typically 2 weeks, and some affiliate networks won't pay you out for a whole month. So in this video today, I'm going to actually show you how you can actually generate that $50 to $75 a day and actually put that money in your pocket today, guys. This is going to be exciting, and I'm excited to share this information with you. So before we do that, if you are new to my channel, my name is John from McNeil.com, and on this channel I teach you all about making money from home and affiliate marketing. So if that interests you, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. I know you're ready for this video. I'm going to show you how you can put $75 in your pocket today, and we're starting right now. All right, guys, I'm here at a website called pay.com.com. And what this is an affiliate marketing network that you can actually sell products. And what's cool about this network is not only do they pay up to 100% commissions on a lot of their products, they actually pay instantly, as you can see here. So just to kind of give you a little bit of information about this network, it was actually started years ago by Mike Philsane, who's the internet marketing guru, and then he merged it with another company. But you can actually see here, they have high converting offers, lifetime cookies on this website. So that basically just means that if you introduce your affiliate link to somebody and they click on that link to the sales page, if they buy, next week, next month, next year, you're going to get that affiliate commission because it has a lifetime cookie that it puts on their computer. Shows you some real-time stats. Get instant commissions up to 100% direct to your PayPal account, guys. Up to 100% direct to your PayPal account. So this is what I meant by you can actually get the money today. You sell the product today, you get the money today. They send it right to your PayPal account, and you can just put that right in your bank account. They have deals, bonuses, and coupons, transparent marketplace, etc., etc. And that basically just means that they show you the sales, they show you the refund rates. Very good, marketplace. They refreshed it. It's been around for a long time, and it looks good. So let's go ahead and jump into the marketplace so I can just show you guys what it looks like a little bit. So this is the marketplace. Basically, we just sign up to become an affiliate, and then you can click on offers here, and then you can basically go down here. You can actually see the different offers that they have, and as you can see here, it has a price point of $67. This first product here, Pick and Animate, commission on that is 50%. It's had over 1,000 sales, very low refund rate of 4%. And you can do, basically just kind of look through these products, click on the sales pages and see, what you like about them. So, but what I wanted to show you guys is look at these price points, $67. You got a lot of $37, $67, $34. It's very easily to sell 2 or 3 of these a day and make $50 to $75 per day, and you're going to get this money straight to your bank account. And if I just click on one of these, let's just click on one of these products, you can see that it's professionally eye-catching sales pages. Let me click on another one here. I was kind of looking at a couple of these products earlier. So, video sales pages, long, sales pages here. They look good. They're selling, as you can see. And then you also have some that are 100% commissions. So like this product here, PLR Extreme, it costs $10, but they give you 100% of the commissions. It's already sold you know, 400 copies with a 0% refund rate, right? And the reason why this person is giving you 100% of the commissions is they're probably just trying to build their buyers list, right? So that's what they're trying to do. And you can actually go up here and sort by, let's say commissions, and let's sort it again. And then it'll probably pull up all the commissions that give you 100%. So here are some of these products that will pay you out at 100%. Most of them are $17, $37, $10, you know, and on and on. But, you know, you're getting 100% of the commissions, and you're getting these commissions instantly, guys. So, you know, how do you go about selling these things? You know, you could sell them from your YouTube channel. You could, you know, basically build your list and send offers to your list. There's a ton of good offers in here. Like I said, I showed you. I mean, look at these pages here, and this is $10, and you're getting 100% commissions. You know, if you start building a little small list and you start sending some of these offers, do you think you start making, you know, 3-4 sales a day with some of these offers? I think you can. So just wanted to make this quick little video, guys, about pay.com.com. You can definitely come over here and sign up for free, get into this marketplace, start checking out some of these websites, and get up to 100% commissions instantly, lifetime cookies, high converting offers. You can't beat it, guys. Go over to pay.com.com. And if you want to learn how I do affiliate marketing, I do have a free guide that kind of walks you through the whole process from A to Z. You can get that in the description at johnmcneil.com. So this is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like if you did. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.